Hi, my name is Jake Kinsinger. I'm a frame builder by night and an engineering professor at Cedarville University by day. I built my first steel bicycle frame in 1979. I also have a lifelong love for woodworking. In 2010, I combined my two passions and began making wooden bicycles. While I enjoy building custom frames for my clients, I'm particularly fond of sharing this craft with others. In fact, for every person that wants to buy a wooden bicycle frame, I'd say there's a couple dozen that would like to build their own. To address this interest here at Sojourn Cyclery, we will be providing at least two avenues. The first are workshops where we can work together to build your frame. The second is a series of videos that will walk you through step by step the process of building your own rideable art. Honestly, people are concerned about making a frame out of wood because they think they'll be heavy and fragile. When properly crafted, wooden bikes are lightweight, incredibly strong, and very smooth to ride. These frames have exceeded the bicycle industry's rigorous testing procedures. They have also been extensively field tested for thousands of miles in all kinds of conditions, including a cross-country tour, a European family tour, and a segment of the Great Divide mountain bike trail. Wooden bikes are fun to make. You don't need a lot of high-end tools. You don't need to know how to weld. All you need is a good attitude and a lot of patience. And this is how it's done.